Hi, I'm Caleb, and we're here at LESS of Bradenton, your local Gravely dealer, Sarasota, Bradenton, Manatee County. And today we're showcasing the Gravely OVIS. And we've got some amazing features and benefits we want to go over with you.
So this guy is a specialty piece of equipment. It's the OVIS 40RC. It's a 40-inch wide flail head brush cutter, radio controlled. And clearly it's a track mounted machine. It's about 1,000 pounds, so it's nimble and it is very detailed in what it does. It is designed and built in Germany at our sister factory at AS Motors. Aaron's Co. owns manufacturing not just nationwide but globally. It's got a 3-gallon fuel tank, which is more than enough to get you through half a day, depending on how steep the slope is or how thick the brush is. This thing will handle a 55-degree slope. It's got a Briggs Vanguard motor with special baffling and carburation in there. You don't want to be walking up 55 degrees. It's a steep slope.
Fits in the back of a truck?
It fits in the back of your pickup truck. You don't need a crew to dispatch it. You don't need a trailer. 2 ramps and up it goes.
Very easy to start, remote controlled, super simple design. Does not take much training. You can get on the road in, what, a day or 2, man?
Easily, you can get on the road that afternoon. And the money that this thing generates, it's impressive. The work that this does is not inexpensive. So this machine is designed to be out there working all the time, not sitting in your shop. So it
requires minimal maintenance, easy safety flaps in the front. It's got a shut-off switch.
It's a very basic machine in that it's a manual controlled deck height. You turn a knob to get the deck up or down. You're manually turning the blades on. So if you're 1,000 feet away from it and there's an obstacle, you're not inadvertently turning the blades on. It's got several safety features, a cutoff switch on the machine, cut it off from the controller, cut it off from the key switch. Easy to use.
So Eric, who would you use this kind of machine for?
Oh, Caleb, this machine is for the crews that are doing road work, that are doing embankments. We've sold these machines to golf courses that are doing trimming around lake edges that they don't want their riders and their zero turns close to. We've sold this machine to the Forestry Service in North Carolina. The Christmas tree farms love the machine because in North Carolina, Christmas trees are growing on the side of mountains, and these machines are like goats. They just go right up and down between the crop rows, taking out basically everything. The flail head will take out anything 1.5 inches or lower without even thinking about it. Up to 2 inches, the floating head will rise, it'll chop it down, it'll keep on going. It drops all the cuttings down below it. It doesn't shoot anything out from the sides. It's an impressive machine.
Fantastic. Let's see it run.
Yeah, let's do that.
Man, that really cut that down. I think what I liked about it most is the safety aspect of it all. Whether it's a bank, whether it's the side of a pond, we're not having to worry about equipment falling in. I think this is honestly a great piece of equipment that we're gonna see a lot of traction with.
Caleb, that's a good point. This machine will do the work in 1 hour that 5 crew members with string trimmers would do in a half a day. And I tell you what, at the end of the day, somebody's gonna get injured and you're gonna break a piece of equipment. This thing's made to get up there and do that work. It saves time and it saves money.
Come check out this piece of equipment and more. We've got plenty to demo and showcase at LESS Bradenton. It's your partner in outdoor power.